bonding time with the home and dad. Our big boy.
Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy.
Uwi ka diyot pa pala. Makita na yung ate. Look at his tail. Papalulan? Papalulan, big boy? Hi! 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 His mom died when he was barely a month old. Big Chai. I see. Rubbing his face in the hands of the home and dad. That's his most favorite person. Big Chai. Big boy. Hi. Hi. Yun yung haraday siya dahig-dahig da.
Yan na, papansin ba?
Hi. Hi. Always looking for attention. Especially from the home and dad. He doesn't complain. Abay! Abay! Ayaw bite, mama. Bad man ka, oy. Bad man, oy. Bad man na. Okay. Nawara, see? You'll be the one to hold paparolan. If he will bite, he will not bite. He only does that unto me. Here's your daughter. Here's your daughter. You hold him. He has more endurance with you than with Mama Kiss. Big boy. What did Papa Rolando?
Bislit.
Huh?
Bislit.
Pinch your egg